Deputy President, huwezi tembea hapa Kisii. Osoro kaa, hiyo ni ndogo bwana. Osoro kaa. Kaa Osoro. Kaa chini. Kaa chini. Kaa, hiyo biashara naijua mzuri bwana. Wewe wacha. Kaa chini. Bwana Deputy President. Bwana Deputy President, huwezi kuja Kisii. Sisi kama wa Kisii hatuwezi kuwa kwamba watu ambao unatembea nao, it's not our face. Unatembea na wezi, wash. Hawa watu ndio unatembea na wao around. Unataka tufanye nini? Kwa hivyo tunaomba, nataka niseme, hakuna vile. Ni wangapi wanasema niendelee? Sasa asante. Nataka nimalize nikisema kwamba sisi kama jamii ya Omo Gusii, naomba Bwana Deputy President, sisi wakati wao ulikuwa ODM pamoja na baba, mlikuwa watu wawili pamoja. Watu wetu wa Kisii wengi waliuawa kule Rift Valley. Omba msamaha hapa sasa. Omba msamaha kwa watu wetu ambao walikufa kule Rift Valley. Wewe wacha. Kwa hivyo nataka kusema hii biashara
check. Hello. Ebu nyote muli. Hello. Tafadhali tuketi. Tafadhali tuketi please. Tutulie kwenye viti. Tafadhali muketi. Tafadhali tuketi. Abantu bami ndoye ikaranse. Komoranje ikaransa. Halo. Abagusiba binto yono gavana yono James Ongwa kwana Obuana bwasoira have taken over now. Mwegwete Abagusies Mwaika have taken over the program. I have taken over this program. Oyonongwa Okwana Ikaransa Mwensipi. Everybody sit down. I have taken over this program. Sit down. I want you to listen to me. Kimuranche Karansa. Abantu baminto Kimuranche Karansa. Ikaransa. Oyonega bana ino James Ongwa Okwana antagete mukire kiri Kimuranche. Abantu baminto gakitata taru wanchaya Ikaransa mukire ndeto mugabana abakwaniye tafadhali Ikaransa wono kaso mwenzi please abantu mutu kaso mwenzi simategara abantu nani abantu mwenzi rianga sote wanda wansi bwe anta baskam kachiri tafadhali akina bartika wa Ikaransa baharia ndeto mugabana abakwaniye Ikaransa sike familia abandara mutu wa musoke mutu aba mutoke tafadhali soka tafadhali kama mutu aba police aya nani no tafadhali ngawa nankoreta kuwa na bono nani tafadhali wasi nani askari toa watu gavana ongea sasa toa tafadhali na mtu wa kama higa umate mbakuru mtu wa mtara clear from here please I thought kama mtu almweka babere abana clear kabisa murwa karo agaki kara soka agaki tiku soka agaki oyengo wasi mbiamono sana tigatogendera no mukutano tafadhali bono senata mugeni senata akisoka naliba sogochi alia kama na korangiribweka was mbiamono bono Ikaransa yang soke banda abachi alinse Ikaransa kama na kuane koro mukora akora muri butua mbiamono bono tiga kwa heshima ndeto musani otata omusani otata omugabano ito. Okay, ngoli weka ngo musiki orio otera we kanisa abang na jumote kanisa njo motere abadi tera kurwa abun oh no to masakoro Vas mbiamono.
television semechiga ya masaka yokomwenya Abel Gongera yabero sinina kego yekubatikana kiria yarikorekana n'ekiburabu wa asabana siasa bali mu Rwanda katukunyoringa gati y'abageni baba bagukirana asomo yokorega ngamo deputy Oyigo oyibona nyanga cyane mchambwate amabwate mbaba ubara bajumbe oyigo nabansiye amashabiki kirishari kore kama gusaleka kumuroberiyo y'umuntu ya iranga konyari atanga ndade kunyita bakangwe na siasa tebese kwanyarwa ase egekayika ngo umusimangi ugiye sirena katumwa abo kana na siasa tebe kwanyarwa kujima ase amatanga yayiga kwenda bana siasa bina bali bumerengezo yabo nigo bayirana guchaka gukwana mangana siasa ekere bona degia samba monone kero moske simbaratu y'umujumbe kwensema ya WS arenge kwana agori kore kana atari no kubanyana umuske ya murito akigotena akikire go president nyamana kora batera batanga igaiga bana cyose amakuru igaiga babwatani bo mukonje murayibu nsomoske ya murito mbaro naboigo ababwatani baye ngambaro kibono kirere ekerosi barati akwana ni gori berero limoka ururi kondo boigo yari ko bangane kisegi kuri none nabo bono buno ligere tigo chimutu ali mwanchu ligere kibura buruiga kuri kire go bachibotene nabuna oligere tigo chimutu ali mo governor bu county ya Kisii Mosque James Mwaye bakubwatana na no deputy governor Mosque Ashmangi wabere bakwira bagana kuri boteneri bwege karekeza ibonga nakoba tebanga ndo morembe nkwira nure egere program egende retayara bajumbe bakwanire naboigo naba MCA bakego bakwanire bonege karekego chikana nugochia saba senator boymen rep aboigo amo nabaraibande abana natuskatambe muranga nigature live megatembe television network ibonga ntogendera koletera amangana yayiga unagenderete kubuchira.
Excellency, the Deputy President, Dr. William Ruto, Your Excellency, the Right Honorable Prime Minister, and the leader of my party, Raila Amolo Odinga, the members of Parliament who are here, both from the Senate and the National Assembly, abantu baminto bawo machoge abakioni mura abambaba abaochina aba machoge ne amate ya ino yonsi esi ya ikakorbo basi South Mugirango Bonchari Yaribali twensi korboge tutu na sanda wansipi. God is good. And all the time, isn't he good? Who would have thought you would be quiet like you are right now? With all these prayers, Pastor, I sincerely thank you for your good prayers. And myself as a governor of this county, I feel very, very, very low with the type of behavior that I've seen here. I hope I don't see it again. Ekiagera, because the old man here was 101 years. I wish I had taken over this program from the start. But I've now come here. Abagusiba mintontara kwana kende. Abagaka mbalega iga mugaka gatima somo agenda. onye mo gako minto a chair ya Council of Governors ato igorero mukutano nanga ato igorero tebuya oyo minto matundura timaiti sikuage ande kiagera matundura inu mogoteba bagaka ngati mo igorera abasae ero nigo bara baise ko buna chinkore abagaka bataranywa marwa gose bono naenda bagusiba teba ngabasae mbasa mbetege sakio mugaka gose bono ono moro chirende abagaka abagana kiekogera in all my meetings nko allow abagaka batu chakero mukutano gose bono ngakiere teri boyga abantu baminto esimwaika tetemba ikupaka ari maega igonta getemba tebinga abagusie twaikire unabono toreiga na indu twaisanire toko ikaranse mesa imoisa inimo ikaranse mesa igo mwe bole tu no mwe ikaranse mesa twaisanire toko ikaranse mesa eke to isaini toko ikaranse mesa ntoko ruanira basacha bande abakungu morega igonye mwaro rabasacha abakorwana mobo origo se mobwata abasacha let me come back to my brother Joash Mahangi. Even before I say that, I think it's extremely unfair that we have two leaders that I just want them to come here, they just salute. Kimura anche abande mbakuwa na ababere bago salute go salute goka. Omo senator itokoru Nyamira ngayore kiara ko chakara bona nobody is going to talk. Omo senator ito Nyamira nchuga nchote na bakorore. Omo swati o minto mama ngina banto nchote nenega aiga. Omo swati onde koru omo beti ndo chimuro chiogo tenaga. Wanga Gladys, they are not going to talk. They will just salute to you. Nginabantu Senator Kwamboka no yonde nare narao munyoka nere koruana nere tigacha Millicent Yomanga njua Millicent inanya korawa suati ba koruana Oria akoro kutindi ko baibaga, nobody is talking. Oyo akoro ku Millicent Omanga igare nominated igare kwerende Nero Mochumbe korwa koru Nairobi no are Nairobi no mwana minto koru gagusi. Just go away. No, yeah, thank you. Oyo Kabere, please. Just go. Yeah, please. Just go away. Genda karua ba woneta iko kuana no yo, go away. Go away. Kusio moswati oyiga akimuranji. Oyo Kabere karuo abachumba abekera ini.
Senator Mocherwe Kuruwase County na Nairobi Musubati Millicent Omanga igata tukubiterera guri baga aru kwano kuri mu governor we county ya Kisii kurinde bano bino gende tukorera chibichechio nabo liberera libwatete kegima nabo liberera libwatete kegima ase ejukwega kerabano omugavana ngwaye atabire mu ndikayo obuchikoegwa libagari obukwana ndikayo obuchikoegwa libagari obukwana igona amatanga yaiga arengera mochoko nabo mochoko ligiri koba ogosarika kurinde na igatubwate kwirena kerabano omusike ongwaye atabire mu ndikayo obukwana ebonsi baikaransiibwe tuchikororanga nandinga nkigiro chikogenderera koba gendera kubwatia Getembe Television Network chinga kichira chance gendera kubwatia Getembe TV tobe toko korokia mosikizo chikogo chiragabwa ayamasemo tobe kumanyanga inki kegendera
kirengo korande oyo minto mwana minto deputy governor Joash Gongera kima etigo so yo minto omwana oyo minto gari go senowara ekero 2007 ekero na tagete go tenobo 2013 ekero na go tenobo governor 2013 ekero na go tenobo governor nkanyora abantu babere ba korwense emeyemo oyo minto gari noyo minto Joash ekero na abanyora Nairobi nkanyora bonsi obatate go tenobo obo chumbe karuo nkagamba nabarobwo nkabatebya inumwenzi n'abantu baminto nande komu abantu baminto takorwana tokaigwana that time maito sogari unacheta akaba mochumbe noyo mwana oyo minto akaba abule deputy governor tuabere na Joash tugakore tamu ya gati entangani na entu asoire tamu ya kabere nere aba machoke ba minto tinje tigo yo minto Joash no tore nere na ende iganga kelte simchinsa ikomina mo chiamambi tagete montegerere akanga kele simchinsa ikomina mo chiamambi akatemu ako muabo sirire kamote Joash onyomo gako yo minto manyete gongero osirire montigera mangana yono ena ibono genda otimoke nga fomu ya committee inero ya gade to karanse gabon nechi committee ne chenkuru Nairobi ese audio no mwana mitu akode ne regasi and we have been together intubu no mogusi na inche mwaigure nko bate very many times iyo nko bate binga 92 aikirenga kibonto gwente gote na ukaranse meza na intu abasacha abekero bago cha gotebanga ningo okoriki na intu nto ye tobe ko montemesa una abagusi mwegwete inatomwa amaiga yo mwana minto matiangi Joash nangero ngori ya echiringe 1000 mombo atega iga na endo teba mwaku ana even this morning igaba kusiba minto taete mumanyenga intwe unomo gusi na abantu twaje tobomo ekiana 2007 ekere michando ya rengo ngakie yo ekere michando ya rengo 2007 abantu baje tega iga seitoga gusiba kacha komenyo na 2013 naende bagacha ga seito gusiko menyo esa ulitoro montoyo mo naende tuanje twe na intu tomenyete chinse mo chinde chinyingi igonta getemba te abagusiba minto tigatuanchane na ento manya na intu bunege saku na intu aikire stage bono na intu ese yeito ya Kenya na intu togwenda kwikaranse mesa iguru nengakie yimbono tali yankyo ngirane somo wako mintore eso yo mintoga iga when I was working in the office of the president and my brother William became a member of parliament. I think it was in 1997. We became friends when he came to the office of the president. And we are still friends. And then I've got my brother here, Raila Amolo Odinga. We have worked with this man for a long time. I've even been his chief campaign manager. And I can tell you for a fact that we are dealing with a grand old man of politics of Kenya here. So all of you are welcome to Kisii. This is a great county. These are great people. These are people that are going to make a very serious decision in 2022. Because when we are together, the number of Gusii people in Kisii and Nyamira and those in the diaspora, the number is almost equal. So we are going to make a very big decision in 2022. And it will be an independent decision. At that particular time, because we know who is good and who is not good. It is not inside here. We all know who is good and who is not good. So at that time, we'll make a decision. Ladies and gentlemen, let me not talk too much, but let me say this, that as a country, where we are right now, and even the changes that we need to make. For instance, the new constitution has got 35% of the budget coming to the counties. 35% from the current 15%. And that is a fact. Ekinege ndogote kotoletera magenderero abanchete igobara abange mbarenga mutete